Just one life, all you get is one life. And now, one life, all you need is right here, right now. You know you can't look back behind you, can't look back behind you. Keep on pushing forward.
So we put the outside of the tent up and we've literally just done the inside. It is huge. It's absolutely huge. It's like 6 people, I swear. A little outside decking. Oh my god, it is actually huge. So, yeah. What's to go next? Absolutely massive. So you come through, 2 bedrooms, and look, we have, I mean, it's not even just like, I mean, that's a double bed. We put 2 doubles next to each other, just in case it gets really hot and sticky in the middle of the night. So we've got our pillows, we've got our blankets, literally, it's so cozy. And this is our view. It's such a cute little intimate place. Gino's a bit scared to get out of the car. Gino, come have some water.
Gino, where is he?
He's in the car. He's hungry. But yeah, it's a cute little place. And then the sea is literally just across that. Across a little bit there is the beach. So we're going to go and watch the sunset. Now we'll sit up.
Should we go bath and have a shower first?
Shower. So we have set up barbecue.
Master chef.
Master chef. I'm just sitting here in my blanket and my sleeping bag on this lovely comfortable chair.
Yes. Thankfully my girlfriend packed me.
Yeah, I didn't pack him trousers, I forgot.
Trousers.
So he's got the sleeping bag and his trousers. They're good though, comfortable, sufficient. A bit chilly later. We've got some vegetarian sausages and some vegetables.
Well, this is the reason.
Vegetables.
I was about to say it's the reason why I'm £30 lighter. It's fucking vegetables. Vegetarian sausages.
We've got salads.
Got salads, got cheeses.
And we've had a shower, so we're nice and fresh.
Nice and clean.
Nice and clean. The shower's actually really nice here, but my hay fever's getting bad, like my eyes are really sore. I'm hoping that I'll be alright once I'm in the tent. I'm literally dosed up, I've had the injection now, I've had all sorts of hay fever stuff. I'm still struggling, but...
Like a chemist.
Literally. Maybe like I've overdosed or something. Something's gone on. My eyes are just terrible, so red. But, you know, by the sea is so much better than being at home. Yeah, being in a field. So, yeah, this is us set up for the night. Get some wine.
And,
Good, Gino. You having a good time? You having a good time, Gino? He's more interested in everyone else going on over there.
more interested in being hostile.
I know. You can see a cat. I know, but looking forward to dinner. Nice little dinner. Look at this little spread. I even bought a tablecloth to serve our dinner.
It's a posh. It's a posh barbecue dinner.
But look at this. Look at the colour of this food. We're making little hot dogs with some fresh sourdough bread, onions from the gentleman over here. And then our roasted vegetables and crisps and dips. I mean, and roasted
dips and cheese.
Yeah,
and
roasted marshmallows for dessert over the fire.
Babe, you're supposed to show more professional skills.
He's trying to build a fire. He's burning all your eyebrows off.
I've only got one eye left now. No. To take one of Gino's beady eyes.
We're literally just sitting around the campfire or laying.
The fire's just started.
Lovely wine and sleeping bags.
Bear Grylls.
That's so nice. Look at that fire.
Okay, now it's going.
That is going.
You get some marshmallows in that bad boy.
Yeah.
Got some. Lauren picked like the American
Go and
marshmallows.
get them.
They
They're
look like
ridiculous.
breeze blocks.
These are the bad boy marshmallows I got from Asda. They are actually amazing. So it.
Oh.
Is it good?
Oh, good.
I love how you've gone first and not even offered me one.
I done all the cooking. I was testing them out and making sure the fire's hot enough.
Okay. So we've got marshmallows. Roasting them on the fire. It's really hot, isn't it? How this sticks long. How's yours?
So good. Honestly. Literally epic.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh.
The best. So we made it through the night.
That just sat really well. Look at my hair.
We're now making coffee. What are we having?
Coffee and croissants.
Little mocha and croissants that we bought from the shop. For breakfast.
That just sat really well.
Yeah, I actually slept alright. I did wake up at 3:30 having to take every single hay fever thing. Yeah, because my eyes were like puffy. I had to take massive pump. It's just been so bad this year. Literally so bad. But I've had the injection, so I'm just still hoping it will work. I don't know how long it takes to kick in. Apparently 3 to 7 days, so by Thursday I'll be fuming. I paid £125. I hope it works.
By saying that, it's been because the day before you went and got your injection.
Yeah.
Was horrific.
Did you sleep good? Yeah, I know, but I think that's because my mum cut the grass. She cut the grass, and so I was actually dying. I thought I was going to have an absolute asthma attack. But yeah, it's a lovely day. We're going to have a little walk down to the beach after breakfast. Yeah, get the sun out. Oh,
You can feel it already. It's already hot.
Yeah, no, it's warm, so I'm still in shorts and jumper.
I'm still in the same pair of shorts from yesterday.
Forgot
Due to
to pack
somebody's lack of packing.
I know, but I didn't realise how it would be that chilly.
We didn't realise it was mistake.
No, but we put the sleeping bags on, so we were fine. But I wasn't actually that cold. It actually got quite hot in there.
It was hot,
Yeah. But it's so nice to be cooler.
Yeah, it wasn't hot. It was like
No,
perfect.
it was actually
like perfect
yeah.
temperature.
It's just a bit sticky.
Yeah, well, that's because we was butt naked together. Sticking together.
No, but like, you know what I mean? Like
two gelled sweets.
no, it wasn't. No, it wasn't like that. But it was because of like humidity. It was sticky.
Yeah, it was sticky. Yeah.
Not because we were butt naked. But yeah, so roll on day 2. So the good thing about the UK is you get a beach to your left.
The sea's actually proper covered in there. Yeah, what's that? All the way out there. Like literally, it's so close to on that spot. So in the last hour, literally. I mean, I did write something over there. What did it for?
Hello.
Yeah, so it's on, baby. It's disappeared. It's disappeared. It's been nice though, it's been beautiful so far. One more for the ram. I think I'll put the back out on that one, you ready?
Come here. It's really singing.
It's not really that deep over there.
This bit. Is this bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. No. It's here. Right here. Right there.
Ow! I'll ball slap the shit out of myself doing that. Oh.
Oh my god, my abs!
Oh, my testicles. It's really hard.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, hold on, look. You can see where they landed.
Oh my god.
All it takes is that special someone to bring you out in the open. You know it's there inside of you. You're scared to let